All right, what's up guys? Derek here from Simnett Nutrition. So if you guys follow me enough, you guys will know this spot. I come here almost every day before my workouts and I just kind of stretch, I clear my mind, I make a plan for the workout for the day, I set my intentions for the workout, I set my intentions for the day, I enjoy the view, and then usually I'll run around the park and warm up a bit and do some hill sprints on that hill right there. And then I will go back to the gym. But today, I'm not going back to the gym. I don't feel like it. It's too nice out today, and I'm having too much fun out here. It's too beautiful. So I know there's a ton of stuff to play on around the park, and I am going to go and show you guys how you can have a workout and have fun without having to go back to the gym. All right, let's do this. I didn't think I could do that. So let's just get our body moving, get the legs warmed up. They liked it. And I'll just start with some toe touches and then 2-foot jumps onto the bench. Woo. All right, I'm actually gonna revisit this table jump again. Let's hit it in slow-mo, see how that looks. All right, that's so fun. All right, what do you guys think of this? What can we do here? Some agility, I think. Let's see. All right, so I'm just gonna make up a random game. I'm gonna run to each post, do 10 push-ups once I get there, sprint to the next one, stop as quick as I can, and really focus on explosive movements. Okay, stop there. 10. Too many. Takes the flow out of it. Let's try 3 and then move on. Wow, so fun. What else can we do? Let's go run to each one and then test the vertical at each pole. This stuff tires you out, man. Let's move on. All right, well, the plan was to do a little workout here, but there's a bunch of kids, and there's kids on the zip line over there, and that's the fun part. But I'm definitely gonna come back here. I'll do a whole workout at this park because there's so much to do. I'll just come earlier in the day, but there's lots more. Let's go. So I just spotted this bench here. It's got a little bit extra of an overhang, so I could probably practice front levers right there. Definitely need to practice those. super fun. So there's even like a workout spot right here, but that's not what today's about. We're gonna keep going and go along the water. Woo! A little heavy for the left arm. Let's try again. Wow. Do some jumping squats and then I'm gonna move on. So I figured I'd show you guys these trees. They're cherry blossoms. They're starting to lose all their petals, you can see, but they're absolutely beautiful when they're in full bloom. I'm sure they'll have another one because it's been raining and the rain takes the petals off, but absolutely beautiful. I don't think they're in too many places around the world, so kind of cool. All right, I'm gonna do one last thing and that's it for this video. All right, well, I hope that inspired you guys to get outside and just play, and don't be concerned with like having to go to the gym or having to have like a real workout. You can do it anywhere, and I feel so good from it. So I'm gonna climb this tree a little bit, and hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you want to see more. I'll see you guys in the next one.